Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Marriott Bonvoy card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your Marriott Bonvoy card, start by gathering your Marriott Bonvoy membership details. Visit the official Marriott website or open the Marriott app. If you're using the website, click on the sign in option located at the top right corner. Input your email address and password associated with your Marriott Bonvoy account. If you're using the app, tap on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password, then tap Sign In again. Once you're logged in, locate the Account section on the dashboard. Click on Profile to view your account details. Here, you will find information regarding your Marriott Bonvoy card status. If you see a verification message or prompt, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card. This may involve confirming your identity or entering additional details about your account. After successfully verifying your information, you should receive a confirmation notification. Check your email for any updates from Marriott regarding the verification process. If you encounter any issues, use the support option available on the website or app. Reach out to Marriott customer service for assistance if needed. Once your Marriott Bonvoy card is verified, you can start enjoying the benefits and rewards associated with your membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.